What's up guys? So we're underneath the bonnet of the Seat today. It's the 2008 Seat Ibiza. Literally, yeah. I was looking all over the web to figure out how to change this, dude. Because this guy has gone out, right? And I didn't... What the f... There's a crack there, bro? Oh well. The other side's fucked as well. Well, I guess this is holding it on anyway. Does it wobble? No, it doesn't wobble. Anyway, so how to change it. This is here, I think. You grab this, turn it, pull it out, and that's it. Put a new one on, then screw it back in. Simple as that. Okie dokie. So I'm gonna put the new one in. Alright, so the new bulb is in. Check if it doesn't come off. Firmly on there. Then we'll shove the bad boy back in its spot. There we go. And then it goes. All done.